Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on OKX Exchange step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the OKX app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on Edit Profile and then go to Security Settings. Here, you'll find the option to change your email address. Tap on it and enter your new email. After that, a confirmation message will appear. Simply tap Yes to continue. Now, an OTP verification code will be sent to your registered email. Open your email inbox, copy the OTP, and paste it into the required field. Once verified, confirm your new email address. And that's it. Your email will be successfully updated on your OKX account. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.